I am Dr. Raman Kapur from New Delhi, India, and I am into medical acupuncture for the last 43 years now. There are a lot of devices I use. I use the ASP needles for auricular therapy, which are the retaining needles for the French Nogier style acupuncture, which I learned many years ago from Professor Pascal. After that, I learned, I came to know about the Premio 10 device, which is like a moxa thing, where you don't need to use the moxa stick, but you can do the same effect or you can attain the same results by using this electric device, which is a very useful device, and particularly for patients who are very allergic to smoke, this is a great device to have in your practice. And another device which I have been using for the last 5 years is the Premio 32 EVO lasers, and this is a great device because it's a 100-watt laser. It's a super power pulse laser, and now I realize how good it is to use a pulse laser instead of a continuous beam laser, and the results are also very gratifying. And I feel that a lot of areas where we cannot put needles, we should use lasers, and also in patients who are apprehensive of needles, laser is the best answer. So most of the conditions where I use lasers is in the musculoskeletal condition, like arthritis of the knee joint, lower back pain, and particularly I have found it very useful in spurs, because calcaneal spurs, plantar fasciitis, it's very difficult. It's almost impossible to put a needle there. But I have found if you use laser there at the acupuncture points or the ashi points, you can get very good results with this. And even I have started using lasers at the acupuncture point in small children who come to us for allergic rhinitis, bronchitis, bronchial asthma, and we just need to use it, give a dose of about 2.5 joules at each acupuncture point, and that is sufficient. I use all programs. I use the anti-inflammatory reaction program, I use the regenerative program, I also use the A to G Nogier frequency programs, and I also use the A to G frequency program, wherein you can automate it and put it in the ear acupuncture points. So because I have found Nogier frequencies work very well with the ear acupuncture points. So again, if the patient doesn't want to take ear needles, we will use lasers instead of that. And there's a special nozzle for that, which reduces the dosage of the laser by 50%, and that's a very safe dosage to give for the ear acupuncture points. Most of these patients who will come to me, the session is no more than 15 to 20 minutes with the laser also, because we don't treat more than half a minute to 1 minute at a point, and maximum frequency of these patients who are coming to me, normally if the patient is in acute pain, we will call them every day for about 5 to 7 sessions. Once the pain becomes better, then we call them 3 times a week, more better twice a week, and then maintenance of once a week. So that's the way we do it in our practice. I am really satisfied with this device because it has helped me open up a new vista of thought process in my practice, because earlier we were only using needles. Now we have another device which helps us a lot, because a lot of patients are needle apprehensive, and all those patients we will use this only. And even if they are not needle apprehensive, there are some areas like the sole and the palm of the foot where it is very difficult, almost impossible to put needles. I always use laser there, and in small children also now I have started using laser. Excellent, and I think we should be thankful to the Sedatelec company for having brought out such a device, and they are always there. Stephanie is always there for us to guide us also, and I also keep talking to her, and she is always available. Thank you. We are very happy to be having known Stephanie and known Sedatelec, and the quality of the products which they are bringing out is very high. And they are very cooperative, and if you have any technical problems which you want to get resolved about the dosage of the joules, what to give, and how to adjust everything. They are always there to answer you, and that's very important. In any equipment you buy today, if you don't have the after sales services, you feel upset. So I am very pleased to tell you that there is no problem there, and they are always there to answer your queries. See, I have done a series on the Net of Knowledge. It's a 4-part series. The important part is there is a free webinar of 1 hour available on the Net of Knowledge. If you just go on Net of Knowledge and type laser acupuncture or laser therapy, you will be able to see this 1 hour free webinar. And if you like that webinar, you can then buy the full 4 series webinar, and that will help you understand the laser therapy better, understand the Premio 32 EVO laser better, and understand how I use this in my practice.
For more information, please visit www.sedatelec.com.